Hey, what's up, guys? Meteorologist Doug Heddy. Want to give you guys an update. We got more showers, more thunderstorms, which are going to roll in as we go through the overnight hours tonight. Of course, make sure you like, you subscribe, and then somewhere on there is a bell that will give you notifications. But let's go ahead and break down this event. If you have evening plans, at least the next couple hours are going to be okay. But you can see that little white line is pushing in, so that is kind of draped back from Stockton Lake, Pittsburgh, and then down toward Tulsa. That is our cold front that is going to head toward us, or is pretty much on top of us, and eventually we're going to get some scattered showers and thunderstorms that kind of fire up along this front. Not seeing much of anything yet, but we'll start to get some of these little storms trying to get going as we get into the evening hours. Overall severe threat is pretty low. Our southern counties, it may flare up a little bit later on this evening, but I'll keep my eyes on that. But overall, these are just going to be springtime thunderstorms, so not too much to worry about. I really think the bigger severe threat is going to kind of stay, let's see. Let's do this real quick. I'm going to go back here. I think the greater severe threat is going to be kind of down through here. So it kind of clips our southern counties, but overall, I'm not concerned. Let's go through time. Those scattered thunderstorms, you can see the wind shift line. So you got southerly winds south of the front, northerly winds north of the front, and you can see these little guys popping up 7, 8 o'clock along the I-44 corridor. That's where the front is. So if you do have outdoor activities and you're near the I-44 corridor, we're going to start to get some scattered thunderstorms kind of 7, 8 p.m. These kind of flare up and push east. You can see some of these kind of intense as they push into northwestern Arkansas. So again, that's where that low severe threat is. Kind of, let's say, Delaware County, McDonald County, Benton County, and Berry County in southwestern Missouri. So that would be Grand Lake over toward Bella Vista, Pineville, Knoll, Cassville, Table Rock Lake. Very low severe threat, but still that minimal threat is there. As we continue and work into the overnight hours for us tonight, north of the front, showers and thunderstorms really start to flare up, especially after midnight. And again, some of these could be strong. We can't rule out a low-grade severe storm, but not something I'm really concerned about. I'll probably do a little bit of streaming later just to let you guys know if we're hearing a lot of thunder and a lot of lightning. And then scattered thunderstorms continue into the morning hours, and I think most of these guys will be out of here by 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. However, we stick with the clouds all day long, and these showers and some scattered thunderstorms kind of flare up again as we work into the afternoon hours. And then most of the showers should be out of here by 6 or 7 p.m. tomorrow. So if you do want to get outside, do some outdoor activities, tomorrow's a better day to do stuff inside. Sunday by far is the better day to get outside, but we'll warm up to about 64 by noon. Then we're going to drop back into the 50s. So it's going to be kind of chilly as we go into the weekend. In fact, those cool temperatures, they're going to be sticking around as we go through Sunday as well. We'll start to clear out tomorrow night. And then on Sunday, partly sunny skies, high temps, back into the mid-60s once again. Clouds increase Sunday night. And here comes our next storm system with rain increasing again by the time we head into Monday. All right, rainfall amounts tonight. You can see our northwestern counties, not much of really anything at all. So all the heavy rain is along and south of I-44, where we could pick up 1, maybe 2 inches of rain. I'd say overall average is going to be a half an inch if you kind of break down our 32 counties. All right, 64 tomorrow, 64 on Sunday. Rain increases again Monday into Tuesday, Wednesday, out of here Thursday, so kind of wet next week. Not much of severe threats, maybe a low severe threat on Tuesday. I'll show you that map here shortly. Now, Memorial Weekend is next weekend. A lot of people like to go floating, which you do need to be careful because of the creeks and streams kind of high, especially after all the rain. We do have a storm threat Saturday into Sunday. Memorial Day itself looks okay, 82, partly sunny skies. Let's break down severe threats. Tomorrow I don't see a severe threat, just the very low severe threat for us tonight. A low severe threat Tuesday, not really concerned Wednesday and Thursday. Low severe threat Memorial Weekend, kind of ramps up right after Memorial Day. So that week, that first week of June, So we still have a ways to go until we get out of traditional severe weather season, and then we just kind of go into good old summertime storms by the time we get into the middle of June. But so far, we've been really lucky. We've had a lot of events, but we haven't had any big events. That's good. So we will definitely always take that. All right, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Of course, I'll give you another video here in a little bit when storms start popping up, and we'll break it down. Have a good evening.